The aim of advertising is to convince you to buy. Some advertisements exaggerate, some are truthful and factual, but some also misrepresent.
Remember to follow me on Instagram at savvyshay_tt. Subscribe, comment, and like.
Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Shay.
Advertising tells the consuming public that a certain product is for sale. Advertising could be by radio, television, billboards, posters, newspapers, mails, brochures, and even some store promotions, all geared to inform and sell. Advertisers appeal to the consumer by using a variety of techniques and tactics such as sex, beauty, youth, health, and wealth. The consumer who is aware of these appeals is better able to evaluate the validity of the advertisement.
Advertising is a message to persuade people to purchase goods, services, or even ideas.
It is information generated from a producer about a product or service. Its main purpose is to create a demand for a product, and so advertisers spend a staggering amount of money trying to influence you and other consumers. Advertising informs, and advertising also persuades. Ads attract the consumer's attention through the use of music, color, art, and humor. Both print and electronic media, inside and outside of the businesses, are used in advertising.
Advertisements should provide the following consumer information:
price, purpose and use, sizes and colors, location where it is available, brand names, quality features, and new products.
Advertisements use a number of basic techniques to stimulate demands for their products.
They use popular personalities to create images of acceptability of the product. They apply peer pressure. They use sex, beauty, wealth, and health to appeal to consumers. These appear in different forms. Appeal to the desire for status or prestige, catchphrases and slogans, scientific claims, numerical claims, natural and ethnic appeals, emotional and sex appeal, exploiting fear and uncertainty, repetition, and bargain appeals. Nowadays, advertisers use market segmentation to push their products. This is segmenting the market into special groups by age, sex, special hobbies, and so on. The advertising of a product is then geared towards one of these specific segments of the society. Advertising is evident even during children's television programs. Minors will ask for certain brands of products, so such advertising works. Direct mail advertising, which many people regard as junk mail, is commonplace today. This is a less expensive alternative to high-cost television advertisements. Rental and sale of direct mail lists are the means by which people's names are provided to different companies. This is regarded as invasion of privacy. You can ask that your name be removed from the mailing list.
Oh no!
Here are some specific techniques that advertisers use to persuade their consumers.
Repetition, repeating a message over and over. Free gimmick, offering something for nothing. Referral selling, getting the consumer to recommend possible additional consumers and even to sell a product. Bait and switch advertising, offering one product on sale and then trying to sell another higher priced item to the consumer. Snob appeal, providing a product class for people who consider themselves above the rest, not as common folk. Fear sell, warning about dangerous consequences if the consumer does not buy a particular product or service. Testimonial, using a famous person to recommend a product. Bandwagon, selling on the basis that everyone else has one, so you had better have one too. Glittering, generality, playing with the idea that the product works miracles. Puffery, using words with wide meanings that tell very little about the product itself. Advertising is a cost to the consumer. Consumers pay through the form of higher prices for goods and services. For the manufacturers, advertising increases the number of sales and as a result, lowers the cost of production.
Next are some qualities of good advertising.
Good advertisements are honest, truthful, and within the law. Good advertisements do not mislead. The picture on the packet accurately represents the product inside. Good advertisements do not undersell the product of other companies. Good advertisements make truthful claims. If the advertisement states 100% cotton, this is soap. Good advertisements do not state that an item is guaranteed unless it is. Advertisements are sometimes helpful to consumers in introducing new products and in giving valuable consumer education in procurement, use, care, and disposal of products.
Advertising also have disadvantages, and some of these disadvantages are:
information given about some products is often insufficient. In many instances, this information is unrelated. Many consumers would prefer a more practical approach. Advertisements usually increase the cost of the item advertised. Some advertisements give little credit to the intelligence of some consumers. For example, a corn product being advertised as containing high quality protein. The consumer is often misled and deceived by advertisements. Many do so by implication or by omission, what was not said. As part of gimmickry, many advertisements use incorrect spelling, which would mislead students and the public. If you are wondering how to judge information in promotional or advertising packages or appeals, the following questions can assist you in judging information. 1. What is the message? 2. Does the information seem complete? Has important information been left out? 3. Is the appeal mainly factual or mainly emotional? 4. If the appeal is emotional, can you identify the specific or particular desire, fear, or emotion to which the message is appealing? And 5. How accurate and up-to-date is the information? Do any of the claims seem exaggerated? In summary, advertising is a marketing tactic involving paying for space to promote a product, service, or cause. The actual promotional messages are called advertisements, or ads for short. The goal of advertising is to reach people most likely to be willing to pay for a company's product or services and entice them to buy. While advertising is the only way to guarantee that your message will be seen or heard, it is expensive by comparison to other marketing methods. For that reason, it is more popular with large corporations and brands than smaller businesses.
What?
Thank you so very much for watching. We have come to the end of the lesson for today. Do remember, every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.